Dear Goenkans, today I'm here with the story Elephant and Friends. Once upon a time, a lone elephant made her way into a strange forest. It was new to her and she was looking to make friends. She approached a monkey and said, "Hello, monkey, would you like to be my friend?" The monkey said, "You are too big to swing like me, so I can't be your friend." The elephant became sad. Then he went to a rabbit and asked the same question. The rabbit said, "You are too big to fit in my burrow, so I can't be your friend." The elephant also went to the frog in the pond and asked the same question. The frog replied, "You are too heavy to jump as high as me, so I can't be your friend." The elephant was really sad because she couldn't make friends. Then one day she saw all the animals running deeper into the forest, and she asked a bear what the fuss was about. The bear replied, "The lion is on the loose. They are running from him to save themselves." The elephant went up to the lion and said, "Please don't hurt them. These animals are innocent. Please leave them alone." The lion mocked and asked the elephant to move aside. Then the elephant got angry and pushed the lion with all her might and injured him. All the other animals came out slowly and started to rejoice about lion's defeat. They went to the elephant and said to her, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Now the elephant was happy because he had many friends. So, little children, friends come in all sizes and shapes. Size doesn't determine their worth. Thank you, little Goenkans. Hope you enjoyed the story.